Hi, I'm Kathia Green. I'm your local South Florida realtor, and I want to invite you to our next home buyers workshop. If you're looking to buy a home and don't know how to get the money you need towards down payment and closing costs, we have an excellent program December the 7th from 10 to 12 that'll teach you everything you need to know to be able to purchase in Dade County.
Hello, my name is Julio Montero. I'm here with Dario Torrente. We're with Gold Financial Services. Just wanted to invite you to an event we're going to be having, a down payment assistance course for Miami-Dade down payment. We're going to be giving you up to $7,250. Really appreciate if you come by December 7th between 10 to 12.
Estamos organizando una presentación para primeros compradores en el cual les vamos a explicar sobre el programa de Miami-Dade, que tiene programas buenísimos para los primeros compradores, ayuda económica a lo que me estoy refiriendo. Esto lo vamos a hacer el diciembre 7. Les vamos a pasar la información más adelante, pero los queremos invitar para que ya de antemano lo aparten en su calendario.
See you at our next workshop
On December 7th from 10 to 12.
Nos vemos diciembre 7, de 10 a 12, próximo seminario.
See you soon.
Nos vemos.
Nos vemos.